Hi folks, I'm back out again, and I'm out with the really small tiny 8x6 coil because I'm working along the side where there's tons of targets, but pockets full of little things and loads of bulldog and, sorry about my language, like, I haven't found much. Let's have a look what we found. Oh, I just dropped something. Someone's dropped out a bucket. Yeah. Found this, oh, I dropped it again, there you go. A little teeny coin there. Dead anyway. There's an old coin there. I'm not quite sure what that is. Found a lead token or pewter. George the Fifth, halfpenny. A couple of ship halfpennies, which they got in the junk now. This one here. You see the Britannia on that one. I think that's George the Third. Penny or half penny. That's 1805, or I think it goes up to 1805 to 1808. But I just found this, and this is, I was thinking, is this our first ever cannonball? It's super heavy. I never found a cannonball before. Is that a cannonball, folks? Pretty heavy, that is. It was about 12 inches down, 10, 12 inches, something like that. Look at that. Is that our first cannonball? Well, if you can let us know, folks, that'll be good. Taking that one home. I could be taking the rubbish out of my pocket. That one in. Right folks, if we can't find anything decent, we will get back in touch. See you on the next one. Right folks, it's just started to chop down. I must be mad to metal detecting in this. I'm just going to give it a little bit longer. I want to try to find something really good before this 2015 is over. But this rain is pouring down now. I must be crazy. Alright folks, let's see what we can find. But if the rain carries on, I'm going to have to call it a day. See you on the next one. It's gone really dark now and the rain is choking down. There must be treasure. There must be treasure around here trying to stop me to get it, eh? I thought we found a nice little old toy then. It looks like maybe a old door, window, handle or something. Thought it was a toy. Well, it's chucking down folks, but if you can't metal detect in a little bit of rain, well, a little bit, but a lot of rain, but now and then you're not really a proper metal detectorist, really, are you? I'm joking, folks. I'll see what, if I can find anything else. I'm going to stay in this rain a little bit longer, so I'm going to get totally saturated. Put the waterproof cover on me metal detector, make sure. Right folks, if I find anything, I'll get back in touch. See you in a bit. I'm not sure if that's a lead token, folks. Seems like it's got a funny pattern there and it's roundish shape. It's lead, whatever it is. Oh, it's all soaked through now and it's still raining, it's not stopping. I'm soaking wet, I'm freezing cold. I don't think I could get any more wetter now. And I've got a waterproof jacket, but it's only a half jacket, so to get any more wetter, I think I would need to go swimming in that little lake there. We'll see if it calms down a little bit, folks. I'm only going to give it another half an hour or something because I don't want to stay wet too long. I've got to drive back 20 minutes. Right, folks, see you on the next one.